70 people did a test. 20 of the 32 adults who did the test passed. 6 of the children who did the test failed. Use this information to complete the frequency tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick the bits of information I know and put them on the table. 72 people did the test. At each branch, we know that this bubble and this bubble have to add together to be this bubble. So when I know one of these, I can then work out the other. But I'm going to go through and fill in everything that I know first. So 72 people did the test. 20 of the 32 adults. So there are 32 adults. And 20 of them passed. 20 adults passed. Adults passed 20. 6 of the children who did the test failed. So this is children, and 6 of them failed. So those are all the numbers from here. We now need to use our logic, our calculations to be able to work out the answers here. These two branches have to add together to make 72. So here I have to do 72 subtract 32 to get 40, which is what I put just here. Here I have to do 32 subtract 20, which gives me 12. And here I need to do 40 subtract 6, which gives me 34. That is 3 marks. It's not worded brilliantly. So if that didn't come to you straight away, if you didn't know where to put the different numbers in the different places, please rewind, have a go, see if you can do it again on your own, and then fast forward again. One of these people is picked at random. Now that's important because it's out of everybody. People. How many people are there? There are 72. So our answer will be over 72. Find the probability that this person is an adult who failed the test. Where are the adults that failed the test? There are my adults. They're the ones that failed. So actually there are 12 out of the total people, which is your 72. I write that and I leave it like that. Do not simplify it. It is this. This is your number. You take the 12 and you put it over 72. Again for 2 marks, 5 marks altogether.